Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 18th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and a binary. We have one puzzle left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 945. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one is 13 printed digits. Well, I can tell you the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one is 13. So don't think it's an easy one, hard one, correction. But it's indicated with the 4 stars by the publisher. For 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Well, first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. I see here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Do we have more dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box, and here triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers here. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, or the inside box, this is the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. How about here? Well, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But the box near the inside box, near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Okay. How about this one? Cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now, but the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. All right. Then my next question: do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I can see any quadra box. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of this kind of shapes. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Do you have more? No, only these 2. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one. This box rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here also rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes. Yeah. Here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. And we have here the final shape, the L shape, rotated. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box level 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box level 1 in this W area shape supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1 now. 1 box level 1 in this triple box should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box level 1 in this area should be here. 1 and a 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 3. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. Okay. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution. Place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1, but we already have a 1 here. So not the solution. Place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. Alright. Then wait. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. This one is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. That means well, it's not helping me here. It's not helping me. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If we place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Yeah. Need a 3. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. I need a 2 in this area. The 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I need a 2 also in this area. Here can be 2, we have a 2 over here. This box can be 2, we have a double 2 there. So the only place left for 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box will be a 2. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be here because If I place a 1 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be so 1, but we already have a 1 here. So not the solution to place the 1 there, the only place left the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 3. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. I need a 2 here. Okay. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Well, here, 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 3 here. I need a 3 here, I need a 4, I need a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. This box should be also 3 or a 4 because it can be 1, can be 5, can be 2. Yeah. It's connected with that box, so 3 and a 4. Okay. So we have a lot of 3 and a 4s. Let me see. Need a 2 here. Yeah. 2 could be here, could be there. In this area here. Well. Come on. I need a 2 here in this area. 2 could be here, could be there then. 2, 4, 5, okay. I'm stuck here, I'm stuck. I need a 3 here. 4 and a 5. This box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Come on. 1, 2 and a 3. 1 and a 2. 1, 4, 5. This box can be 1, can be 4, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. 1 and a 2. I think this box should be a 2. Otherwise I cannot trigger those numbers. Yeah. If it's a 3, then the 1 and a 2 should be unclosed. Yeah. Anyway, let me continue. Well, this box can be 2. That box can be 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the only place level 2 in this area is supposed to be here then. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. So I need a 4 here. That means we have a double 4 here. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5 then. 2 numbers left, 1 numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. Here we go up. I need to think. This box can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left with a 5 in this area, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left with a 5 in this area, supposed to be here. And then I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area from this 1. And the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 and a 3, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. 3 and a 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, I'm not fast enough for a 1 star. Should be at 2 stars, this one. Yeah, but we solved it again. Not the 4, not the 3. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so it should be at 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's a weekend, so have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.